celebrate. I mean, with us, definitely with us.
Salut à tous, amis et visiteurs d'Arendelle. C'est une journée parfaite pour une célébration, non?
It's the Snowflower Festival, a day full of joy, decorations, hugs, and hopefully ice cream cake.
Bon, il est venu pour les gâteaux, d'accord. Mais surtout pour l'esprit du festival de la fleur de neige. Être tous ensemble.
And ice cream cake.
On est tellement heureux que vous soyez parmi nous aujourd'hui. Ce festival a commencé il y a très longtemps.
Oh, it's so beautiful. But I could really use a hand. Christoph, could you give me a hand? Preferably my hand. Ah, that's better. Now it's time to let the snow bloom, or let the flowers snow bloom the snowy flower.
Oui, c'est le moment de donner vie à notre fleur de neige. Et cette année, il y a une petite surprise. C'est Olaf qui va s'occuper des décorations.
That's right. I'm the unofficial snowflower decorator. Elsa and Anna are going to be so impressed.
Allez, on compte sur toi, Olaf.
All right, everyone, it's time. And this is just a flower. It's a really big flower. Stiff money feet. Wait. We forgot the crystals.
De quoi tu parles? Quel cristaux?
The crystals. The icy petals. The actual snow part of the snow flower.
Tu avais une chose à m'oublier. Une seule.
No, I had 5 jobs. Supervise garlands, inspire joy, avoid melting, test cookie samples, remember crystals. I'm a very busy snowman. It's quite an overwhelming list. With all the planning for the glamming pomps of salmon comps, while wondering if I exist. Now we don't have any crystals for the flower thing. What are we gonna do? I'm a very sorry snowman. A very busy sorry snowman.